नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, संत गाडगेबाबा अमरावती विद्यापीठ अंतर्गत शासकीय अध्यापक महाविद्यालय अकोला द्वारा आयोजित छात्रसेवा काळ या प्रशिक्षण वर्गामध्ये मी सर्वांचे स्वागत करतो. मित्रांनो, जिजाऊ कन्या महाविद्यालय अकोला या विद्यालयामध्ये माझी छात्रसेवा काळ प्रशिक्षण हे लागलेलं आहे. त्या अंतर्गत आज मी या ठिकाणी इयत्ता 6वी क्लास 6 सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश आणि टॉपिक पोएम आणि सब टॉपिक माझा आहे टाइम. तर आज ही पोएम मी तुम्हाला शिकवणार आहे. डिअर स्टुडंट्स, फर्स्ट टेक आउट द बुक्स अँड क्रॉस द पेज ऑफ 54. Dear students, we all know that how we can count a time of period. How can we count a period time? Throughout watch, calendar. We can count out time. When we count a time, we call these are 3 times of date: past tense, future tense, past tense, present tense, and future tense. How we can decide it? The past, present, and futures. Dear students, the time is gone, went, is called a past. Time is present, is called a present tense. Today, a present. And tomorrow, we call to say future. Here, this poem written by Christina Rossetti will give a period of second to a century or 100. What is called second? What is called second? Dear students, we learn this poem now. This poem is type of question and answer. First lines ask the questions and second lines give their answer. How many seconds in a minute? How many seconds in a minute? 1 minute breaks. How many seconds? Poet asks the questions and second line give their answer. 60 seconds in a minute. No more in it. No more in it. त्यापेक्षा जास्त नाही. Second, next questions poet asks. How many minutes? How many minutes in an hour? How many minutes in an hour? And second line give the answer 60 minutes and hour and hour. 60 minutes. What happens in 60 minutes for sun and shower? For sun and shower. Next questions. Poet asks, third lines. How many hours in a day? How many hours in a day? 1 day periods. How many hours? First we learn how many seconds a minute. 60 seconds. How many hours in a minute? How many minutes? N hours. 60 minutes and hours. And third question, poet asks, how many hours in a day? Whole day. I hope that all you know. How many hours in a day? 24 hours. 24 hours in a day. What we do? 24 hours. Work and play. Work and play. Some people do work and children go to play. 24 hours a day. Count minutes of a day. 24 hours a day. How many days in a week? How many days in a week? Week, 7 days period called a week. So 7 days. 7 days period called a week. Both to hear and speak. We can do hear and speak. Hear means listening. Speak means talking. How many weeks in a month? One step here missing. Students, dear students, understand? 7 days period called a week. 7 days period called a week. But what is called 15 days period? 15 days period, what is called? 7 days period we call a week. What is called 15 days period? Fortnight. Fortnight. We can call also half month. We can call also half month. The 15 days period called fortnight. Remember. We ask next. Next, how many months in a year? How many months a year? Count. Sorry. How many weeks in a month? How many weeks in a month? 4 weeks in a month. 4 weeks a month. At the shift moon run. Shift means very fast. Going to very fast. Like moon run. Just like moon runs. The period of 1 month going to very fast. How many weeks in a month? 4 months. Next, how many months in a year? How many months a year? Who won? Tell me. 7 months. 7 months in a years. Who can tell me the name of the month? Who can tell me name of the month? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That is 12th month. The 12 months periods called a years. Understands? Do you understand? Okay. How many years in a age? So, how many months in a year? 12 months. The almanacs make clears. Almanacs means panchang. The informations about the important days and dates. almanac. Almanac, the information about days, important days and dates give us. We'll call it almanac. Next, how many years in a age? Age means the period of here called 100 years. What is called a 10 years period? Dear students, what is called 10 years period? Or how many years in a decade? How many years in a decade? 10 years. 10 years period called a decade. And 10 decade period called a century or 100. Is that clear, sir? A 100 mean a age. 100 is a age. Here called age. 100 years called age. 10 decade period called a age. 10 years period called a decade. 10 years period called a decade. Understand? I hope that you understand. How many ages in a time? How many ages in a time? No one knows the rhyme. No one knows the rhyme. All clear, students? I hope that you understand the poems. What is learning outcome of this poem? What is core elements? Life skill in this poem. This poem, the core elements, a scientific temper. Question of scientific temper. And life skill, the critical thinking. Critical thinking. Analyze the period, what is called a specific period. In this poem, question and answer, and ask the questions in the specific period. What is called the critical thinking. And core elements, the scientific temper. Scientific temper. Dear students, in this poem, ask some questions. Easy questions. We see here the rhyming fears. Same spelling and different spelling. Pick out the rhyming pairs. Same spelling rhyming pair has. Day, play. Year, clear. Age, sage. This is same spelling. We can look same spelling. Day, clear. Year, clear. Age, sage. Who can tell me the different spelling rhymes? Look here. Minute, it, month, run, time, time. These rhymes give out the different spelling. Do you understand? I hope you understand. Dear students, the last questions in the poem. The poem contains and some ironic fears. The words that you are given often used together. There are given two charts of some words and column A and column B. Match to the column A for B and make the adiomatic spheres. Adiomatic spheres. Example, they are given one more clue, the opposite words. The opposite words. Day, night, left, right, and more, less. Dear students, below some words you match, try to match them and make the idiomics pairs. Okay.